Imbaka mo ni Provincial Tourism Officer Ayan Raquel ang nakasaganan iti sa ngagasot porsyento iti Ilocos Norte para iti tanok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals. Kuna ti Tourism Officer, ana isang sayan ti tanok ni Ilocano iti daytoy atawen kaputa ato ti tinasken na nabalbaliwan akas kumati stage nga imbes amay salay ti sangwen na ket napagbalinen nga all directions ti sangwen na.
We're full force 100% the activation tayo for our preparations. Kalkalpas the blocking rehearsals amin nga agparticipar to have 22 participating LGUs. Sadly, we don't have Sarat this year. We are having our final coordination meetings with our partner offices, with the Ilocos Norte Police Provincial Office and all our uniformed personnel. We have the Bureau of Fire on board, the Navy, the Marines. They're all helping us put together a lively and festive Tanok 2026. We're now finalizing our setup at the stadium. Siyempre, meticuloso the setup, especially with our safety concerns. We'd like this to be a safe Tanok for our performers and our audiences from all over. We're now preparing our opening ceremonies today, and then on Thursday we're having our technical dress rehearsals, which is a very exciting beginning towards our final show on Saturday.
Imbatad ti Tourism Officer as sinaganaan kani pinunduan daytoy dagiti nagdudu mga LGUs iti panag-perform dagiti dancers ken dagiti propsmen ang makipagpaset iti daytoy en grande a fiesta aramrambakan dagiti naruway nga Ilocano.
This is a change we've been brewing for many years, in fact. Nang nangruna ket makita tayo that the in the round or arena type of staging is also natural for us in the Ilocos. When we gather, aguumbong tayo, meeting ti barangay, pulong-pulong, or the way we structure our dapay or dapayan in northern cultures is circular. So it's not a very new experience, I think, for the Ilocano community up north. But in terms of staging, for many years we've been really thinking about this. Many years ago, we had a mini Tanok event at the Centennial Arena. This is a smaller scale competition and staging. But also, since we have a new Marcos Stadium, the award-winning venue of Tanok, it's but appropriate that we change our format and make it a more immersive, more engaging festival for all our audiences from all directions. It's also a change that we hope will spark more creativity among our artists. For many years, we've done the proscenium stage, kunada ti teatro, at dati nagbautan kumbaga ti entablado kan agbuya. But now we're 360.
Kabayatan na ipakaamot ti Tourism Officer itaatawen ang panagsubli ti Lawag City ket isumet ti saana panakisalip ti Sarat Ilocos Norte gapu iti rason asal celebraranda ti Binakol Festival kagidan ti Tanok ni Ilocano Festival. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, IFM.